What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Majestic Madness 15, and I have a very exciting, important package. And if you know, you know. But I got a package from Samsung today. I've already ripped off the tags, but I got a package from Samsung. Spoiler alert! It's my S25 Ultra. If you pre-ordered directly from their website, they actually shipped these like super early. So at the time of recording, it's actually January 30th, even though the release date isn't until February 7th. And initially when I pre-ordered this, it said, you know, you'll get it by the 7th. Never in my life did I think I would get it by the 30th. So yeah, I got a notification like 2 days ago that a tracking number had been created and a label had been created for a package. And when I checked, I mean, I did get some freebies in here, so I wasn't really expecting it to actually be the phone. I thought maybe it was the freebies, but no, I checked and it was like, no, these are all the contents that shipped. So let's open this up and get excited. So I'm super excited because, like I said, I had pre-ordered the S25 Ultra on the Samsung website. I did it not the day of the event because I really needed to mull over what colors I wanted and really think about, was I actually going to do this? So I actually pre-ordered it the next day. One of my friends sent me their screenshot of their pre-order and also their freebies, which, if you didn't know, if you're pre-ordering them, depending on which Galaxy you get can determine how many Samsung credits you get. So I had about $80 worth of credits and I had really wanted some smart tags. I was really kind of bummed that I had missed the smart tags that were on sale around Christmas time because you could get like 4 of them for $60, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't get them because look at the universe working out, because I was able to get 2 for free essentially. I think if you got the 512 gigabyte, which is what I got, you got an $80 credit, but if you got the 256 gigabyte, you got like $100 credit. But the 256 and the 512 were the same price because there was a upgrade bump, like a free upgrade for storage. So the 512 cost the price of the 256, the 1 terabyte cost the price of 512. So why not just take a little free memory bump? I don't need the memory, but I want the memory. But I'm so excited to open this. I did get the 512. I got the pink gold titanium. I had to scour the internet to find videos of this phone because it's not like the signature color of this year, but one of the exclusive colors. So a lot of the videos and a lot of the people at the events were not looking at the Samsung online exclusive colors. They were just looking at the, you know, line of colors that'll be available for everybody else, whether you're getting it from Samsung or you're getting it from your phone provider or Best Buy or anywhere. So I had to scour the internet a little bit to find people who had actually posted these colors to figure out if this was even the color that I wanted. But I knew from looking at it, like I wanted a nice pink gold, rose gold. Like they need to bring rose gold back. And if they had done the like very vibrant like peony color that they did for the S25 and the S25 Plus, I would have done it. Honestly, I would have done it. I would have thought about it, but no, I got this pink gold. I'm so excited to see it in person and just hold it in my little hands. right, so the unboxing is done and here she is. Honestly, in the camera does not do it justice. The camera really just kind of makes her look white, and there is a white titanium. I'm not gonna hold you. I wasn't really sold on the blue because depending on like how it reflected, sometimes it looked blue, sometimes it didn't. So if they didn't have this pink gold, I probably would have gotten the white titanium, even though like I've never really had white phones. I've always had like colorful phones and black phones, and I vowed never again to get a black phone because I cannot stand seeing the little fuzzies that pop up in your like clear cases. Like I had such OCD around always cleaning my phone and cleaning my clear cases because I didn't like seeing all the little specks of dust that would get in there. So I was like, never again. We're not doing black phones again. But yeah, no, in person, this definitely looks more gold than pinkish, but it's still like that soft rose gold that like Apple was doing for a hot minute. I actually do not know if Samsung was doing rose gold at that time, because I'm going to be so honest with you, when it came to like the 10 and all of those, like I was an Apple girl at that point, so I do remember them doing a very beautiful like rose gold color, and this is what that reminds me of. But to you guys, I'm sure it looks white. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I will try and post some pictures to see if that will do it justice, but sadly the camera is just it's giving white. But just trust me when I tell you it's beautiful. It's so pretty, and I'm so excited to have an S Pen back. Now, one of the first things I want to say is part of the reason that I had switched from a Note in the first place was I got really tired of the big phone, and that was still when they were rounded corners and the corners were just like really sharp, so I felt like they were a lot harder to hold on to. But honestly, I'm actually holding on to this phone like very well. It feels very comfortable in my hand. It feels just as comfortable as the 24 Plus. I mean, you can see it is bigger. It is a little bit taller. It is a little bit wider, but like this actually is fitting in my hand very, very comfortably. I'm honestly kind of surprised. So, and then look, I know that they do not have the Bluetooth anymore in the S Pens, but there have been rumors that potentially you'll be able to buy an S Pen with Bluetooth. It's up in the air, but I have seen some articles saying that Samsung will be selling that separately for people who are interested in that. I do genuinely believe that they took the Bluetooth out because they're moving towards, I think it's Qi 2 or Q2 wireless charging. I think it's called Qi. You can tell me if I said it wrong, but I know they're trying to in the future move to everything having that pretty much that Apple MagSafe charging in the back of the phone, where they're putting magnets in the back of the phone, both for accessory purposes, but it also means that when you're wirelessly charging, your charger is snapping directly to the back, so you don't have to worry about, did you find the right spot? Is it wirelessly charging properly? Your charger will just stick. Personally, I was a big fan of MagSafe. The last iPhone that I owned was the 12, and a big part of why I owned that phone was because of the MagSafe, because I loved the MagSafe capabilities. I am somebody who I like the options of having accessories, but I don't always want to be stuck with accessories, if that makes any sense. So I sometimes want to use a pop socket. I don't always want to use one. I sometimes want to use a pop socket wallet. I don't always want to use one. And when it came to having MagSafe, it was super helpful to just have a regular case. I didn't have to, make sure I had my pop socket case or my case that had my pop socket wallet attachment on it, but like I couldn't use that case if I just wanted a regular pop socket. I had to have different cases for different things, and I went through stickers all the time because I would move stuff around. And then I also, if I wasn't using a pop socket, I didn't really want to like feel that sticker on the back or like whatever plastic piece was sticking there to attach all of my accessories. So when it came to MagSafe, I love the idea that I could just have the case, or even just have the phone naked if I just happened to use a case that didn't have MagSafe on it. I could just use the magnets on there for my car mount, which made mounting my phone significantly easier. I could use it for my accessories. I do have MagSafe wallets. I do have MagSafe pop sockets. I do have MagSafe chargers. And it all in all like made my life easier. So moving to back to Android, that was something I knew I was gonna miss, but it was nice knowing that some phone case companies like Casetify or Rhino Shield were incorporating magnets into their cases. But then PopSocket came out with their own sticker so that you could just buy stickers and stick them on the back of your cases so that you could use your MagSafe accessories. So I've still managed to use MagSafe. I've either just found people selling MagSafe cases, or I have just put the stickers on myself, which I've still gone through so many stickers because I will use a case and then like I get another cool case and end up putting a sticker on that one. So MagSafe is still a big part of how I work with accessories. But I do know that when it came to trying, if you use like a true like strong magnet case, like Rhino Shield has a very strong magnet in their case. I've used a Rhino Shield case for the S24. I've also used a Rhino Shield case for the S23 Ultra. It has a very strong magnet to the point where even my wireless charger, which is a very old Samsung wireless charger, but it still works pretty well, so I use it. But that wireless charger could not handle the magnet. I would actually have to take the case off. But if you had a very strong magnet in your phone, the S Pen just did not work. Writing in the center of the phone did not work. So I do wholeheartedly believe that's probably why they took the Bluetooth out. A lot more companies are coming out with MagSafe accessories and MagSafe cases. A lot of larger companies than like Casetify and Rhino Shield. I know Spigen would come out with some, a couple other like smaller companies, but I mean OtterBox is coming out with them now. Tech 21, Spec, all of them are coming out with MagSafe or magnet included, because I don't think they're calling it MagSafe for Android, but they are coming out with magnet included cases. It's becoming a bigger wide thing, and I do think by the time we get to the S26 we probably will have those magnets embedded in the phone. So I feel like this is just like the tester. This is the tester generation where they're really trying to see like, okay, how is this going to work with the new accessories that we have? Because even Samsung has a case that has magnets in it. How is this going to work with the new accessories that we have? How is the public going to respond to it? And I think, yeah, if they do have that Bluetooth pen for people to buy, I think that will be, I hate that people will have to purchase something that they wish was already included in their phone. But I think it helps to kind of weed out who are the people that actually cared about this accessory and who didn't. I did enjoy using my S Pen as a shutter when I thought about it, which was really good for like long arm selfies, right? I'm trying to take a group photo with a bunch of people and I just don't want to try and finagle with one hand because the phone was already too big for one hand to begin with. So it was nice to be able to use the button in those instances. But I care more about being able to take notes on my screen again than I do anything else. I didn't really use the air actions, so I'm kind of okay with that, but I'm gonna miss the shutter, but I'm a little more excited for MagSafe. But this is what the pen looks like. It looks like it's more of like a stone, like grayish kind of color, which goes nice enough with this. And we do still have S Pen capabilities. I'm really excited to get into One UI 7. I did not get to beta test it, unfortunately, and I will do a separate video of setting this up, but for initial setups, it's pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Coming from my last Ultra being the S23 Ultra and going from a 24 Plus back to an Ultra, I'm happy with this decision, and I'm happy that this just fits better because the amount of times I did drop my S23 Ultra and crack the screen. Or crack the screen protector. I had a screen protector, thank goodness. But I did drop that and crack the screen protector. I did drop it on my face. I did, like, just one hand usage. Not even like, it wasn't trying to access the phone that was difficult. It was just actually holding the phone. And this is so much easier. and it's wider. Like I'm so excited to start using it. But if you're looking forward to more content regarding this S25 Ultra, because I'm so excited, I don't care. I know it's not that big of an upgrade, but for me, it's a difference. It's a different in size, it's a different in form factor, it's a different in features, and it's a different OS. So I'm excited. And if you would like to see any more content, I will be posting shorts and videos. I will probably do a short when it comes to setting this up, because I do have to transfer everything from my S24 Plus. I have to send this back to Samsung because I did do the trade-in. But I do have to transfer everything over, so I'll probably either do that in like a short or just another video. But if you are interested in seeing any more S25 content, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment if you got your S25 Ultra early or if you're still waiting. Normally I do store pickup, and sometimes I do it because it can just be a little bit difficult getting packages, or sometimes you want to be extra sure. But I feel like by not doing store pickup, I managed to get this early, and I got this so early. So I'm super excited, and I hope that if you're waiting for yours, I hope that you're excited too, and I hope to see you guys at the next video.